Hi there. Welcome. Thank you for coming by. Today, I'm excited to share a hall closet transformation that we recently did. Have you ever wondered what you can accomplish in 1 hour with a professional organizer? Well, today is your lucky day. I am excited to share a hall closet transformation with you. So, this client is a very close friend of mine that I actually met when I was in the corporate world. And she had a hall closet that she wanted to tackle. And so we decided, since she's located in Ohio and I'm located in North Carolina, we'll just do this virtually. So she got her iPad out and set it up so that I could see her space, and we got to work. So as you can see, her before, she had everything pretty stuffed in her hall closet. So we decided to just pick a shelf and begin. At this point in the project, she's already cleared all the shelves off and is starting to put bins back in their place. So here you can see the before and after of her brilliant, amazing transformation where she can find everything she needs. So now that you see this transformation, you can get a better picture of what can happen in just 1 hour with a professional organizer and just you physically working through all of your things. All right, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed this transformation as much as I did, and I will see you in the next video.